Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add a autoplay video in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and go to the section where you want to add a video. Now in this left hand menu, click on add elements and here select video and music. And now I'm selecting the single video player, for example. Once the video player added, click on change video. And here, if you want to upload a video from your computer, just click here to upload video. Okay. Now scroll down, here you will see this autoplay option. So all you have to need to make the video autoplay, you have to enable this option. And now if you want to play the video in loop, you have to enable place in a loop option. And now on, the video will be autoplay on your Wix website. And now let's see how to add a background video in Wix website with autoplay. So here's I'm selecting this section and clicking on change background, clicking on video, and for tutorial purpose I'm selecting a video from Wix Media Library. And once the video added as background, here click on settings and scroll down, and here whenever you add a video as background in Wix, the autoplay option will be automatically turned on for the specific video background. So you don't need to turn on autoplay for the video background manually, but you can turn on play in loop option for the video background. And now let's preview our Wix website. And as you can see, this video is automatically playing in my Wix background. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.